So this is my Disney Wish room review. We are in room number 8640, and this is a ocean view veranda room. So as you can see there, we do have the balcony right over there. So we actually just upgraded. I just did a room review on an inside stateroom, but we stopped by guest relations just on a whim to ask if they had any upgrades, and they did, and it was actually very affordable. So this is a nice little surprise, and we're excited. We do have a sleeping beauty themed room, so I will give you guys a little glimpse over in this veranda, this room anyway. We do have two separate bathrooms. We do have a full shower in here, and then the other cool thing that I love about the Disney Wish is we also have the bathtub, which is, I know, very, very important for a lot of families. But then over here too, right, we do have a separate area with the toilet. So that if you go and watch the interior stateroom video I just did, it actually was a shared toilet area with the shower. So there is a lot of different options when it comes to Disney Cruise Line. I'm giving you guys a glimpse of the closet area here. And then bringing you over here, it looks like this room in particular, we do have the pull down from right up there. And then this is, of course, going to be another bed option right here. This would push down. Then try not to get well, it is a beautiful view. Not too bad of a glare, but we do have now two seats out here. I'll give you guys a glimpse real quick of what it looks like to come outside. Two seats, a beautiful view to take in the sunset. We're actually sailing on a Disney Very Merry Time cruise right now, so it is going to be Christmas themed. I'll definitely have some more content on what that is like, but give you guys a glimpse of. And then I love the new TVs on the Disney Wish just because they're right in front of you. And if you've been on cruises, you know that typically they're over to the side, but here we do have it right over in front of you, so you can watch TV once you're done playing trivia at the pool, whatever it might be. But that is the room review, everyone. Right now over at the Park Prodigy, we're actually giving up to $1,200 back if you do book a cruise, depending on the cruise type. So definitely be sure to go check out theparkprodigy.com. But appreciate you guys checking out our room review. We're gonna go have some fun on the Disney Wish. I'll talk to you guys soon.